Document production. It's a large topic. Let me talk about document assembly, document automation, document merge, we call it mail merge. Finally, forms and letters. Many people touch document production through one of these segments. Document assembly and document de-assembly is addressing a particular segment within document production. Document automation touches not just document production but also document publishing, document workflow, and many other aspects of it. Letters and forms specifically touches printed documents or scannable documents which can be created using an assembly process. Mail merge, very similar. Let me give an example. You have a company, you have 1,000 customers in it, and you want to send one email to each of these customers saying, "Dear first name, comma last name, I would like to give an offer about a product. And the product name is this. Are you interested?" This is a very simple scenario. You will get promotional letters and emails from every company every day. So you know what I am talking about. Now, how do they bulk produce 1,000 emails from these 1,000 customers? So the simple mechanism is called mail merge. Now, mail merge is a very simple approach. When it is matured, I call it document assembly or document production. How it happens? Very simple. First of all, we create an email template. So document templates is a wider topic we will be covering in one of the sessions future. Once they have an email template, they have to replace the text first name and last name, and that's called wildcards, variables. So the system will fetch the data from the database. They got 1,000 customers in their hand. They pull up the document template and have it in their hand. Now they pull up the rules, the document merge rules from their system. Now they have 3 pieces together and run the engine that will merge all of them and create 1,000 documents. It's as simple as that. Document templates, document data, document assembly rules. These 3 things together will create doc assembly. A simple doc assembly software can just take some basic data, basic template, merge them and send it out. But most of the companies do not need simple document assembly, especially enterprise scale applications. Enterprises need complex document generators. For example, they just don't want first name and last name embedded into a document. They want list of most favorite products. They want to find out the most targeted areas of this particular customer and find out the most interesting product for that particular customer and send him a list of those products. And within that product, they have to provide 3 editions of the product and say, hey, there are 3 choices. So when they build a letter or email, they want to have complex data being represented in the email. Sometimes they want a header template, they want a footer template, they want a body template. So cascaded templates, right? That's one requirement. Complex data, that's another requirement. Contextual data that is coming from multiple sources, heterogeneous databases, like one coming from Elasticsearch, one from NoSQL, one coming from MongoDB, one coming from SQL Server, one coming from Oracle database. And some coming from API calls, some coming from rules engine, some coming from BPM. So all the data needs to come here, and sometimes it has to go through a workflow, but most of the times just business rules, or we call it document assembly rules. And a document assembly rule has to essentially understand wildcard variables and merge it. Sometimes it's expensive process, means it needs CPU resources, right? Rendering engines and things like that. And it creates the output file and publish it. We will learn about publishing in another video, but Currently for this session, all you need to understand is document production is a complex business. Most of the document assembly softwares that are available here is too expensive, and the basic ones are not good enough. There is an opportunity in the world today to create a blockchain based document assembly software. I will review that in detail in the subsequent sessions. For more videos on this topic, please subscribe the channel.